All right, hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Friday wherever you are around the world. Hope you guys have a great weekend. You guys are looking at the title of the video. Yes, guys, KASPA has done it. KASPA has broken out, and not only has it broken out, it has seen a new all-time high. Literally, as we speak, this is happening. So you guys want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the entire market today, we're seeing a little bit of a minor retracement for a majority of the market. As you can see, majority of the coins are seeing a little bit of a minor retracement, and that is because Bitcoin did see a little bit of a pullback, which is totally okay. We're seeing some handful coins up quite a bit, and you can see KASPA is back in play, up 13.5% on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame it's up 14.6%. But that's not the number that you want to be looking at. You want to be looking at the monthly time frame. It's up a staggering 42.8%, and even these numbers are a little inaccurate. It's up even more than that. So KASPA is having its time once again, and right now we are sitting at all-time high as of recording this update. So February the 16th, is officially the new date where we have seen KASPA reaching a 16 cents price, up 14.5% in BTC comparative. Right now, if we're looking at the market cap, it's currently sitting at $3.6 billion, guys. First time we have reached this market valuation for KASPA, and of course we're approaching that $4 billion market cap, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 62.5 million, which is approaching the $100 million mark. Of course, right now, still no specific news as to why this is happening. Why is the price pumping so much? But there could be, again, it's speculation, but there could be an exchange or insiders that actually know what is happening, which is leading to the price to get to these levels before any sort of big announcement even came out. And of course, as of now, we haven't seen Coinbase came out and listed. We haven't seen majority of the big exchanges such as Binance, Huobi. There's so many other exchanges that have not listed it as of now, and this is where the potential even gets bigger, in my opinion, because if it's able to hold around 10 cents, which it did, throughout some uncertainty phase, despite these massive exchange listings, it held at that 10 cents price point, and that should just speak to yourself in terms of the holder confidence about KASPA. But let's take it a step further, see what is happening, and of course what is yet to come. Of course, this right here is a very exciting update. Before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So you're looking at BTC right now. So Bitcoin once again was able to close its daily candle, which was literally 5 minutes back. We saw the daily candle closing, and that was at $52,000 once again. So Bitcoin is showing positive momentum, for the past few week and a half to be exact. We've been seeing Bitcoin holding really strong, and it once again closed its daily candle exactly at the resistance, which is at $52,000, and that should show you that Bitcoin is not slowing down right now. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance, it has picked up a little bit from yesterday, but still below 54%, so that is of course worthwhile noting, but that is not what we're here for. We're here to discuss KASPA, because guys, if we're looking at KASPA right now, as of recording this update, it is sitting at its all-time high at 15.9 cents. It made its way up to 16.1 cents just a few minutes back, and of course you guys know where KASPA is currently sitting at. It is in its all-time high zone. There's no resistances, there's no support. It's what you call price discovery. And I think now the fact that KASPA was able to close its daily candle, above its all-time high is a really bullish sign. And as I've mentioned to you guys before, the next target I'm looking for KASPA is at that 18 cents mark, which is a move of about an additional 13% from the current price levels, which can happen, to be quite frank with you guys. The fact that we did see this close above and into a new all-time high, the timing was absolutely perfect. You can pretty much see this for yourself. If we're zooming in right now, we did see that retest once again happen at 14.9 cents earlier this morning. And as soon as that retest happened this time around, we did have bullish momentum on our end, and we saw KASPA pushing up towards all-time highs, and it didn't even budge at the previous resistance, which was its previous all-time high. The reason as to why I think that was the case is because we did see a bunch of people coming together in terms of whales, or there's a few whales that are just accumulating KASPA right now, which caused the price to go up with really not much effort. So that is what's happening. Definitely a great sign. Let's not forget, as I've mentioned, these numbers are a little inaccurate because it's 41.2% it's showing on the monthly time frame, but KASPA is up literally in less than a month. I kid you not, in less than a month, 11 days, guys, KASPA is up right now 61%, sitting in all-time high zone right now as we speak. So anyone that was accumulating KASPA at that very critical price level, which was at the 10 cents price point, is up literally in 11 days, less than 2 weeks, 61%. And this should just give you an indication as to how hyped KASPA really is. People are very excited. People are really excited about the tech, and people think that it has the capabilities of battling it out with the big boys such as Avalanche, such as Solana, such as ICP, Cardano. The list goes on and on. But of course, it's a one step at a time process. But once again, we're starting to see layer 1s and layer 2s are not slowing down. A lot of interest building up in these type of projects, and this is one of the very few examples right now. It's insane. Was pretty quiet throughout the year of 2024 as soon as the year started. But what a way to make a statement right now. And I think this move alone is going to attract a lot of new eyes once again, because of course we're sitting at all-time highs, and the price can go up depending on the buying pressure. Let's give it a refresh live. It's around 15.8 cents, 15.9 cents, and it's holding really well where it's currently at, but I'm expecting more upside in the upcoming days ahead of us. But let me know down below what you guys think. What do you think is causing this move for KASPA? And of course, where do you see KASPA in the next 2 to 3 years? Of course, past this bull market, of course, this bull market is going to top out somewhere. In my personal opinion, it's going to top out late this year or Q1 of next year, but you cannot time it. You cannot be like, oh yeah, this is the exact spot where you're topping. This is where your exit strategy needs to come into play. You need to make an exit strategy. You need to stick with your exit strategy. And but yeah, that's where I think the top is going to be for the market. It could be longer because of course institutions are in this time around, but where do you see KASPA in the next 2 to 3 years in the cryptocurrency market ranks? And why do you see, if you think it's going to be one of the top 10s, why do you think that? That's what I want to know from you guys in the comments down below. This is a really exciting update. Congratulations to each and every one of you guys from the KASPA community that has been picking up this project literally 2 cents. I know some people on my channel that have been picking this coin up since 2 cents. Can you believe it? If you want to put that into perspective, a 2 cents KASPA was around June, and if you picked it up around that range, you're up 718%, which is really insane. Do take in profits if you obviously are in massive amounts of profits, but at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.